Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss about retail merchandising, its importance, its functions, and techniques. Moves to the meaning of retail merchandising. It consists of activities involved in acquiring particular goods or services and making them available at places, times, and prices and in quantities that enable the retailer to reach its goals. I believe retail merchandising is actually very simple and it consists of two factors, that is, customer and product. If you take good care in the buying of product, it does not come back. But if you take good care of your customers, they will definitely come back. It's just that simple and just that difficult. In retail merchandising, display plays an important role as it helps in increasing the sales and generating additional revenues. Sensible display and presentation also entice the customers and make them brand loyal. Retail merchandising attracts customers in many ways. Retailer can use in-store displays, selection of special merchandise as per the target customer, and by doing physical and digital marketing, the ultimate goal is to support the retail strategy. Moving to the functions of retail merchandising, the first one is buying. It is a process of acquiring the right product at right time in optimum quantities. It also includes understanding customer needs, vendor identification and selection, negotiation on prices and delivery, and on other terms. Next one is assembling. There are few products which are produced in different parts at different places, so they need to be transferred to a common place where they are assembled and then supplied to the market. Standardizing and grading is another function. Standardizing means creating categories of products and grading means division of goods on the basis of quality, size, and on other features into classes. Storing involves holding the goods in warehouses in proper conditions till it is required by the customers. Storing protects the product from wear and tear and maintain its functional form. Transportation helps in moving goods from place of production to the place of consumption, and market research helps the retailer in getting information about customers in terms of quality and quantity demanded, their requirements and preferences, and on various other aspects like the time and place where the customer wants the product. The next topic is significance of retail merchandising. Merchandising function plays an important role in retailing as it contributes to the store in the form of increased sales, improves profitability, controls the cost, and enhances the sales floor productivity. Merchandising appeals to customers by making their shopping simpler, which gives them a reason to come back and spend more. It also makes them brand loyal as well. Good merchandising practices improve stores' profitability by enhancing its price image. Good merchandising strategies and tactics helps the retailers in controlling the cost by best utilizing the available retail space and thus improves sales floor productivity. Better display and placement helps the store employees in delivering better customer services, which improves sales and efforts of the customers and makes employees more productive. The final topic is retail merchandising techniques. The best technique and strategy is the one which makes the selling process simpler, frees up time, and enhances the buying experience. The following techniques helps the merchandiser in achieving their objectives. The first one is stick to basics. That is, make sure that related merchandise must display together. Store should have simple and clear displays. Ample space should be provided for free movement of customers within the store. Shelves should be well stocked and merchandise should be properly visible. The next technique is focused on enhancing appeal, as the first impression is the most important one, and this is the reason why window displays and store entrance in case of brick and mortar stores and home pages in e-commerce stores are also important. The retailer should work on the store layout as well, which includes decisions related to floor and shelf layout, It also includes placement of fixtures and mannequins within the store. The ultimate purpose is to create an exciting environment in the store. In case of e-commerce platforms, the retailer must opt simple yet attractive layout for their websites and other online platforms. The customer should feel easy while browsing and switching within the pages. The overall layout must promote cross-selling, making special promotions on every page and offer user-friendly checkout and payment facilities. Finally, the merchandiser must utilize their store shelf ends very wisely. They can use freestanding displays in high traffic areas. Employee training on how to demonstrate and manage customer is also important as it makes the customer's overall buying experience more enjoyable. Thank you.